Hello, my name is Balázs from Skart and we create unique electric motorcycles. When I was a child, I liked American Choppers TV show where the characters created unique choppers, so I decided to create it my own. Unfortunately, my family does not exactly want it, so I need to put the idea aside. When I attended university as an electrical engineer, I had pretty much green tech research project, but every project came to a dividing point. Every project needed sats in cash, so I had to freeze them. I know that I want to stay in a green tech field, but I just need to step back to find my way. At this point, I find connection between my childhood dream and the green tech projects. That was the moment when the Skart just born. Back to end of 2016, I have designed my very first electric motorcycle. It took a year to collect enough money from 4 local companies to build it. Every day, during that year, I need to believe that I can ride it someday. And the day just arrived. I cannot exactly describe the feeling of this moment because it's so unique, so I decided to share this type of feeling with everyone through my motorcycles. The reason why I designed something new is because nowadays motorcycles are stereotyped and a little bit boring. And because of that, I feel a big anger that the new electric motorcycle area wants to follow these templates. I find a way how I'm able to create unique frames without welding a lot. This type of frame can be cut fast from aluminium tables by a laser cutter, and then we can easily screw it together. Besides that, my intention is to create more handmade parts from different unique materials such as 3D printed PLA, wood, or even concrete. These makes motorcycles more special and the customer can feel the efforts through these handmade parts. We see that the market is fastly growing and lots of mass production companies are already in this market, so we decided to target the custom segment. We want to serve unique motorcycles for citizens of Europe in the first few years, and after, who knows? We will sell motorcycles, which has pretty niche look, but it's not all we have. We also want more premium, so every motorcycle design which leaves our drawing board will be limited between 3 to 300 pieces per design, which makes our customer much more unique. Now, we are hardly working our first on-market motorcycle, which is called Skart Origins, which will launch in November at Electronic Trade Fair, because we want to find our first 15 early adopters for starting the production. We want to especially invite you to take a look at Skart Origins in your home through Augmented Reality. Be ready to ride.